The Concentrated Fund is a highly benchmark unaware fund. I pick a select number of stocks that are, to my mind, compelling value relative to their quality, and I'm not driven by the benchmark or the weightings in the benchmark. I come to my weightings very much just based on liquidity and quality and what the valuation tells me about how that quality is being appreciated or not appreciated by the market. Because the Concentrated Fund is less close to its benchmark than the other funds, it will have a slightly greater performance variation relative to index, a higher tracking error. It has done so actually with less risk than one would expect. The beta is very low, the fund is very defensive because of the nature of the stocks that are of high quality, that are defensive in their earnings. The performance of those underlying holdings has been relatively steady compared to the volatility that one always sees in the equity market. Concentrated fund often is thought of as a satellite fund, a core satellite holding, but I think it could be a core investment for investors because I think most investors are looking for a more concentrated number of holdings and a high level of judgment around and conviction around stock holdings. And it's possible with that sort of fund to achieve alpha without having a huge amount of risk. Concentrated fund has a very strong track record of outperforming in volatile or down markets, and that is because of the defensive nature of the holdings. The fund does not hold any speculative companies, does not hold unprofitable companies, it does not hold a lot of cyclical companies which tend to do a lot worse than the overall index in down markets. And the Concentrated Fund, because it's investing in quality defensive names, tends to outperform.